Good morning, children. Take out your literature book. Today I am going to take your lesson 5, The Challenge. This story is about a merchant who wanted to change his fate. Merchant means trader, vyapari, and fate means luck, bhagya. There once lived a merchant in a village in Odisha. One morning he was taking a stroll, means outing, चहलकदमी. Stroll means चहलकदमी. By the seaside. समुद्र के किनारे वह आदमी चहलकदमी कर रहा था. Some distance he saw a man squatting on the beach. Squatting means sit with one's knees bent and one heels close to. घुटनों के बल बैठा था. And he also filling a cup with sand. The merchant wondered. Wondered means he was curious. The merchant wondered to know what was that man doing. He walked towards the man and watched him. The man filled the cup, turned around, and emptied the contents on a large heap of sand behind him. It means the man filled the cup with sand and emptied. Emptied means khali kar dena. That cup full of sand behind him on a large heap of sand. Heap of sand means बालू का ढेर. इट मीन्स कि वह आदमी कप में बालू को भरता था और पीछे घूमकर वह उस कप को खाली कर देता था बालू के ढेर पर. Then again he turned towards the sea and began filling the cup with sand. वह वापस घूमकर समुद्र के तरफ वापस घूमकर फिर से वह बालू को कप में भरने लगता था. This went on for a while. As the merchant watched, the man continued to fill the cup with sand and empty it behind him. Finally, curious and puzzled, the merchant went up to the man and asked, "Who are you, O good man, and what are you doing?" It means that man was engaged in his work for a long time. As the merchant watched, the man continued to fill the cup with sand and empty it behind him. Finally, the merchant was curious and puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Went up to the man and asked about him and about his activity. The man continued to fill the cup and replied, "I am Vidhata, I am fate. I am measuring out the food each man is to receive today." It means the man continued to fill the cup with sand and told him he was Vidhata, he was fate. And he also told merchant that he was measuring. Measuring means evaluate, mapna. Out of the food for each man is to receive today. Then merchant was more curious about what Vidhata told, and he asked to him he could really do that. Vidhata nodded. Nodded means move the head. The merchant was more curious about what Vidhata told, and he asked to him he could really do that. Vidhata nodded and said if he missed out one single person, he or she will have to go hungry. मर्चेंट ने विधाता से पूछा कि यदि वह उसका कप भरना भूल जाएगा तो वह क्या भूखा रहेगा, ऐसा सही में हो सकता है? विधाता ने सर हिलाया और उससे कहा कि यदि वह किसी का भी कप भरना भूल जाएगा तो वह भूखा रह जाएगा। Then merchant asked mockingly means मजाक उड़ाते हुए। Then merchant asked mockingly, the meaning of mockingly in a way that makes fun of someone or something. He will have to hungry today if he didn't keep aside his measure of food. Vidhata said, that's right. The merchant then went to the market, bought a fish and took it home. Cook this for lunch, he said to his wife. Ha, that Vidhata, let me see how he withholds my afternoon meal from me. And so thinking, the merchant left for his workplace. It means then merchant challenged to withhold his meal for today. Withhold means refuse to give. Vidhata was smiling and told the merchant, as you wish means आपकी जैसी इच्छा. The merchant then went to the market, bought a fish and took it home and said his wife for cooking for lunch. The merchant thought, how could that man withhold his afternoon meal? And so thinking, the merchant left for his workplace. उस मर्चेंट ने सोचा कि कैसे यह आदमी उसके खाने को, उसके दोपहर के खाने को वह रोक सकता है। इसलिए उसने अपनी वाइफ को एक फिश खरीद के दिया और उसको दोपहर के खाने में बनाने के लिए कहा। By noon, he was come back and sat down to eat. As soon as his wife served the fish, the merchant thought, I challenged Vidhata to withhold my lunch, but he couldn't succeed. दोपहर में जब वह वापस आया, खाने पर बैठा, उसकी वाइफ ने उसे खाना दिया, तब मर्चेंट ने सोचा कि विधाता अपने चैलेंज में सफल नहीं हो सका। पुअर विधाता, बेचारा विधाता। एंड ही बिगेन टू लाफ, और ऐसा सोचकर वह हंसने लगा। हा हा हा। Now the merchant's wife thought that he was laughing at the way the food had been prepared. उसकी वाइफ ने सोचा कि उसने जिस तरह से खाना बनाया है, इसी कारण वो हंस रहा है। She was upset and she started shouting at the merchant. वह गुस्सा हो गई थी और मर्चेंट पर उसने चिल्लाना शुरू किया। They had a quarrel and finally the merchant got up and stormed out of the house. Finally उन लोगों में लड़ाई हो गया। मर्चेंट उठा और गुस्से से घर के बाहर चला गया। Stormed out means angrily, to leave angrily. It was only when he calmed down that he realized how Vidhata had succeeded in making him forgo his lunch. It means when merchant became relaxed, he realized that how Vidhata had succeeded in making him go without lunch. Forgo means go without. उसने ये महसूस किया कि विधाता कैसे उसे खाना नहीं दिलाने में सफल हो गया। Thank you children. I think all of you have understood it. Have a nice day.